the hidden code of self-sabotage. You were designed by code, lines written long before you ever became conscious of them. Habits, fears, insecurities, all fragments of a blueprint you didn't choose, but one you've been living by your entire life. This is the human blueprint, and unless you decode it, it will keep you trapped repeating the same patterns, thinking the same thoughts, sabotaging the same goals. Every time you get close to progress, a hidden part of your mind pulls you back. You procrastinate, you overthink, you chase validation instead of purpose, and you call it just who I am. But that voice, that resistance, isn't you. It's an old program written by fear, reinforced by pain. 95% of your daily decisions come from the subconscious, the same mind that stores rejection, failure, and guilt, silently directing your choices while you think you're in control. It rewards comfort, not growth, because familiar pain feels safer than unfamiliar success. To stop sabotaging yourself, you must become the observer, the engineer of your own mind. Awareness is the first rewrite. Every time you catch yourself acting from fear instead of clarity, you're interrupting the code. Awareness breaks the loop, and when you rewrite your thoughts, your life follows. The human blueprint cannot be destroyed, but it can be decoded. This is the journey we're on to understand the hidden architecture of the mind. Welcome to Human Blueprint Decoded. Think deeper, know yourself, recode your life.